everyone, so now that you got the hang of it, or you almost got the hang of it, let's talk about some other blanks, right? So these are the washers and the disc. The washers and the disc that come into your kit. These are made of aluminum, and so they are a little bit softer than the penny. So hopefully you will not need as many taps or as much force, okay? So just make sure that you practice on that. These are your bonus blanks. So I say get good on the pennies and these other things before you use these, because you only have one of each of these blanks and you have a couple of these other ones. So these are for later when you're like, I'm ready, I'm an expert, I got this. Then you pull these out. Okay, so with these discs, I think that they are ideal for either a pendant or for a bracelet. So if you're going to make a bracelet, you wouldn't want to stamp in this vicinity right here, because that's where your strings are going to be. So that's something to think about. Sometimes people actually add the cording on. They don't finish it completely, but they'll add it on so that they can see where it falls before they stamp. The disc, these particular discs, these have a plastic film on top of them. So before you stamp on them, just use your fingernail and go ahead and remove that film. I would just remove it from the side that I'm stamping on first, and then I would remove it later from the other side. This film is there as a layer of protection to help to keep it so that it doesn't get scratched up. So go ahead and give these a try, and when you're finished, come on back and I'll show you how to finish off all of the different projects that you can do with this kit.